Hi there and welcome to the video. This is my walk around Moira Furnace Museum at the extreme end of the Ashby Zouch Canal, just on the other side of Measham, where I walk the grounds, take in the sights and just breathe in the air and relax. Come along with me just for a few minutes. Welcome to the video. So I've decided just to nip down to Moira, just have a look, have a browse on my way in from work, have a look at the old canal. Look, the canal rings down there, look. There's Moira Museum over the other side. Just another video short. Weather's not great, a bit windy, do apologise for the wind. So as I take a walk further up the slipway behind me, come to another point of interest, the swing bridge. This museum really does have it all. Moira Furnace and swing bridge. So I've really had an hankering to come up here, pardon the pun, but just look at that building, look at the brickwork. It's in great condition. I'm truly impressed. I don't know what you think. You know, drop your comments in down below. You know, enlighten me as I become more enlightened about this incredible part of the canal system. Oh, more, it rings all the way down here. Fishing pegs. There's another part of an old canal system that was used in years gone by. So I'm up here at Moira Furnace Museum, where it forms some lovely walks. Sun's glaring in the September. There it is. Canal. What's left of it up this end of the Ashby. I'll definitely be bringing the wife up here and the dogs for a walk round and a visit as it goes up to its inevitable end. Wow, that was an interesting walk. Just a very short video as I walk back to the vehicle. So this is the remote section of the Ashby that runs up to Moira Museum. So in between we have Measham, and on the other side the continuation of the canal. So just a short video today, just to pacify myself and to further increase my interest in the Ashby Canal. So tell me what you think. You know, what are your happy memories of the Ashby, whether you knew it before or during the improvements, or any information you can offer. Like I say, I'm a layman, I'm just interested because obviously I live on a boat. But yeah, all comments are welcome. Please drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video. What is fascinating and what is interesting is that how it widens out up here. Obviously a lot of boats were turning around as commerce was, you know, bustling back then in the early days of the canal system, as coal was moved from near Moira Furnace down to Marsden Junction, onto the Coventry and beyond. Incredible. And my battery's running out on my phone. I wasn't prepared. Maybe next time. It's just amazing to think that it's cut off from the navigation between Marsden and Measham. This wonderful jewel of the canal system in such beautiful grounds, so clean and tidy. The perfect place to bring family and friends. Craft shops, music shops. Lovely grounds. Here I am in Moira, at the extreme end of the Ashby Canal. Marsden Junction, some 30 miles away from here. Just give you some perspective for where it is. Crossing the road at Moira Lock. There you go. Go from here to Moira Furnace this way. My phone died, so I just charged it up on my car charger. Incredible to go through here on the boat one day. Probably not in my lifetime. 58 now, so I think any chance of it being connected up between here and the other side of Measham is probably a pipe dream in my lifetime now. We might do it in 20 years, they might not. But there you go. That's the Moira perspective of what's left of the Ashby, and it's obviously navigable by trips from Moira Furnace Museum. Thanks very much for watching, you guys. Hope to see you again in the next one. If you like what I'm doing here, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you did this with your favourite YouTuber as well, I'm sure they'd appreciate it just as much as I do. Thanks very much for watching. This has probably been as interesting for me as it has been for you. This is my first time up here. Plan to come here again and do a little bit more of a deeper dive. Thanks again.